Hey guys, welcome to our channel again. Today in this very short video, we're going to understanding the practical portion of trend line, how you can draw trend line on your chart and how it actually tells you when you have to exit entry or it also gives you the continuation sign if you use it wisely. So in this video, we're going to trying to understand and decode the scenario, right? So we're on the website of tradingview.com. It is one of the most used and most traded website, as you can say. If you have any demat account in any of the broker that you have used, it could be Grow, it could be Zerodha, Angel One. So within that, the trading view is automatically integrated if you see it wisely. So TradingView is most trusted. You can came into the website and you can research all about it, and it have also the paid version of it where you can see where you can do the back testing and something like that. So that is exactly how you can do it on the TradingView website. Okay, and we're just taking a chart example of Nifty 50. So you have to just let me refresh it once, and you have to just click on the full chart positions, and here you will see some crafts which we used in the previous video to understand the support and resistance portion. So let me delete it first. The internet is going a little bit slow now, but give it time, be patient. And it was just a thing. Trend line is most important, I think. So you can remove it via that. So you have to just click here and remove 8 drawings and 0 indicators. Just click on it, and then all of the things which have been removed except the thing which you are locked up. Okay, so there is an option called lock. So if you click it, then you have to just lock and unlock. So if you delete it, then if it locked up, then it will not gonna delete. Okay, so let's gonna understand that what is downtrend. So before understanding it, you will have to understand that downtrend means the bearishness, and the bullish movement means the when the price is going up. Okay, so if you see wisely, then you have to just select that tool sections, and you will find a trend line in the top of it. You have to just simply click on it, and there is a you have to just click, and you have to just okay, you have to just click, and you have to just hold it, and you have to just press here. So if you see, then that is exactly what. So if I change the color of it, let's say ash color, then you will see that is work as a downtrend trend line. Okay, so how is that useful if you ask me? Then if you see clearly, then the price is going down, and take a support zone or buy the trend line, and then trying to just a small pullback, and then it is not breaked, it is not breaked by the price. Okay, so you can see here, if the price can break, then it could be further goes down, and it will also give you a clear indications that you have to sell from here. But it will not, it will respect the trend line, and that is how you will see that the price is going sideways for a lots of time. You can see the price is moving sideways from here to here. Okay, at least for 5 to 6 days. So that is how trend line actually means. So if I will trying to draw a upward trend line, so as you can see here, you have to just click there and just hold it, and then you have to just press. So that is how a trend line actually. So that is also a trend line which is on the upward trend line, and price is moving upward. Take a support zone from the market, and also taking a small pullback support zone, and also pullback support zone. So that is how the price actually moving, and that is also called the higher high structure on the technical term. So typically you can google about it. So, and if you can see that this is also you can do. So this is not a particular trend line, but you can analyze, but you can do it for your analyzation. So if you draw it, then one thing, understand that market is not perfect. Market will not give you the perfect indications, but you have to understand it. You have to be enough smart to understand the hint of the market. So if you see that the price is going upward, break the the let's say the support zone, and then take a resistance from here and then move the another support zone from here. So you will see, I will quoted one line from the previous video, previous video, that when the support zone is breaked, then it becomes a resistance zone, and vice versa is also applicable, right? So that is how it is actually moving on the trend line. So if you want to see that this is a parallel channel, you can also be applied via that. Okay, so Trendline is used by most of the trader, and it is one of the most important thing. I'm trying to tell you the best of it. Okay, so Trendline is always applicable on the trend. You will not be able to put unnecessary trend line on a sideways market. It will just harm your trade. And on the contrary side, so if I just want a plot a upward trend line here, so I will just have to select this and just a trend line like this. Okay, so that is what my trend line looks like. If the price is going upward, then I can assure that it could be take a support zone of that trend line. And if it's not, then it could be potentially price can move or downward. Okay, so that is what trend line actually means. I hope you get it. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment sections. I will definitely try to answer them, and you can subscribe my channel and like that video. I will definitely try to upload it the best videos without any further edits or something like that. So I'm now learning editing. I'm on a learning phase, so that is why you will not see any kind of editing on my videos, but I will adding it up on the later video. So make sure that you stay with us. Bye.